Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and today I want to give you an idea about how to make the most of our book Ānei Kia. And it's all around the Māori language and education strategy, Tau Mai Te Reo, which is about growing Te Reo Māori through education and growing education through Te Reo Māori. And that means using more Te Reo Māori throughout the curriculum. So our books aren't meant to just be used on the mat, certainly not just as the teacher with the book and the song and the children sitting there and perhaps singing or enjoying the book, much more than that. So today's idea is for Ānei Kia is actually kind of two different ideas. One is to make sure that we're making the actions that are in this book. So for example, with the sun is shining, getting the children and the teachers to make the sun shine, and the rain is falling, and the wind is blowing, and when the fog is settling, we can roll that in with our arms. And then some children like to go like this when the thunder is loud, and then make up some action like, or something or rather, to hugging their mum when their mum comes in. And then the other thing that you can do as well is what we do in our Te Reo Sing-Along show. You can easily do this as a teacher, and either with the children, you use your imagination about how you can do this, but either with the children or with the other teachers or just by yourself doing it. So you only need a little bit of props for this. So for the sun is shining, when we're saying where's my hat, have a hat nearby, so you can either be doing this yourself and getting yourself dressed up like I'm going to do now, and like what I do in my show, any kind of hat, but some kind of sun hat probably, and make it a funny one if you want to. And if you've got children that would like a turn at doing that, then they can get dressed up. Somebody can wear all the things, and maybe somebody can just do the hat and somebody else can do. So for the rain, the next one is the gumboots. So I'll put on my gumboots, and then the next one is the wind. So I'm looking for my coat, so just have some sort of coat or jacket to put on. And then, so I'll do that to show you what I'm doing there, and I've got my gumboots on underneath. The next one, I'm looking for my torch. And so you'll be able to just have a little torch, have perhaps a little area where you can keep some props for Te Reo Sing-Along books, and have a torch in there, and find your torch. Where's my torch? Oh, there it is. Ānei Kia means here it is, or here they are. And then everyone can do the kei te pai as well as their actions. Finding my torch, and then the thunder is really loud and being really scared, and then the last thing that you would be doing for that is getting one of the teachers, or you can do it if it's appropriate to do it with the child, hugging your mum. So what we do in the show is we hug each other, the two actors, but you could have a teacher that comes in and pretends to be the mum and hug them, or maybe the two children can hug each other. So the point that I'm trying to make is that the more that we do with not just Te Reo Sing-Along books, anything in Te Reo Māori, any songs that you're already singing or things that you're doing in Te Reo Māori, is to make the most of them, add more to it, add more actions, add more involvement of the children in their physical actions, and in their joining in and role play will help to embed that language, so we can actually put that Māori language and education strategy into practice, Tau Mai Te Reo, where we're growing Te Reo Māori through education and growing education through Te Reo Māori. It's actually not really hard, and I really encourage you to look at our books and all the other Māori resources around you and see how can I make this part of our wider curriculum. All the best with that. Ka kite.